Donruss 90 48 card rack pack. This will be pack 2 of 2, video 2 of 2. Be sure to check out video 1 of 2 to see what we're looking for in terms of rookies and in terms of error cards where corrected cards were made. This will be the last video for today. I believe it's going to be the 12th of August. All right, there we go. Check out these corners. Corners look okay for the most part. All right, let's do this. Start out with Pete Smith, Tim Bertsass, Ron Jones, Carmelo Martinez, Juan Agosto, Mackie Sasser, rated rookie of Delano DeShields. There's Chad Kruger, MVP of Chilai Davis, Joe Hesketh, Kurt Young, Mike McFarlane, Dave Clark, Dave Anderson, Kevin Mahat. There's our first Carl Yastrzemski puzzle piece. Oh, got his face there. Very nice. Second section, Kevin Romine, Bob McClure, Mike Flanagan, Gary Wayne. This is like the third Gary Wayne we've pulled today. Donruss Diamond Kings card of Chris Bossio. That's going to be the second Chris Bossio DK we pulled today. Dwayne Ward, Juan Berenguer, MVP of John Smoltz. And the MVPs are going to be a bonus card. We'll throw him some love today. Ron Darling, Jerome Walton, Odeby McDowell, second card of him today. Jose Uribe, second card of him. Sid Bream, same, second card we pulled today. Chris James, Ron Oyster, second card of him. Our second Carl Yastrzemski puzzle piece. Third section, we've got Mike Maddox, Craig Biggio, very nice on the Craig Biggio, throw him some love. Terry Pendleton, Ivan Calderon, Dick Schofield, Jeff Russell, rated rookie of Greg Vaughn, Tim Burke, Dave Parker, rest in peace to him. This is the second Dave Parker we've pulled today. Passed away about a week or so ago, maybe 2 weeks ago. Danny Tartable, Mike Socia, Dave Rigetti, Rick Cerrone, Sweet Lou Whitaker. Very nice on that. We'll take it. Greg Brock, and our third Carl Yastrzemski puzzle piece. All right, not bad on that second rack pack. What'd we pull? Pulled Chris Bossio's DK. Always put the DKs up on the stand. Love the paintings. The background photo is pretty cool. Picked up the late Dave Parker. Rest in peace to him. And Craig Biggio. Over here, picked up Sweet Lou Whitaker. And John Smoltz' MVP. All right, folks, there you have it. 1990 Donruss. 48 card rack pack. Pack 2 of 2, video 2 of 2. That's it for 1990 Donruss on this 12th of August, Tuesday. Stay tuned. We'll probably open up some more packs starting Friday. I got to work the next couple of days. We'll finish out Donruss with some 1991 wax packs that we just picked up on Friday. Then we might do a few extras. But thanks for watching. Stay safe. Thanks for supporting the channel.